Okay, I've drawn my room in plan and elevation view. This is the plan view. I've already decided that I'm going to draw this in perspective as though I am looking at this wall. So I have drawn this wall in elevation directly above the plan view. This will make layout easier. This elevation corresponds to this wall. This elevation corresponds to this wall. And I did not draw an elevation for the wall behind me because I'm not going to be looking at that. Most important part is making sure that your main focal point elevation is directly above where it sits in plan view. I am now ready to begin marking these up to get the information I needed to make a linear perspective. First step is to establish your horizon line. This is your eye level. Assume that is around 5 feet up, give or take. Second step, figure out where you are standing in plan view. This is called the station point. I know I want to be standing as far back from this wall as possible, so I'm going to be somewhere around here. I'm going to say right about here. Yeah, right about here. Station point. Step 3, figure out your central axis of vision. This is what you are focusing on. We already know that I'm looking at this wall, so I'm just going to draw my central axis of vision going to that wall. And I'm going to continue that all the way up into my elevation view because where the horizon line and the central axis of vision meet is my vanishing point. Very important. I'm now going to extend my back wall infinitely in either direction because it's going to be my measuring plane. Now I need to establish my cone of vision. This is what's literally something I can see. That's 45 degrees to either side, originating from the station point. So I can see everything in here, but I can't see anything over here. It's good to keep that in mind as you create your linear perspective. Where the edges of your vision meet your measuring plane are your diagonal points. So here is diagonal point right and diagonal point left. Go ahead and transfer those up to your horizon line. Pro tip, if you've done everything properly, the distance from your station point to your measuring plane should be the same as the distance from your vanishing point to your diagonal points. Go ahead and check that. I am now set up and ready to begin creating my perspective grid.